Co-op has always been close to people to listen to their needs. Enhancing traditional flavours and discovering Italian and foreign product excellence. Co-op follows consumption patterns and renews its offer every day to satisfy people's new needs. In doing so, Co-op has set increased levels of quality and safety because it cares about people's health and well-being and the respect for nature and the environment. Our products are made of all our values, who guide us through our choices. They are safe, good value, tasty, ethical, transparent, environment-friendly. In a time of great changes and transformation of consumer habits, we can identify 4 main trends. Increased attention to correct nutrition, health and well-being. Growing awareness of nature and environment care. Reduced waste and growth of a circular economy. Demand for a stronger, ethical commitment and for the respect of workers' rights. Health. Safety. To guarantee the safety of its products, Co-op applies 5 principles. 1. Precaution. Since the 70s, Co-op has eliminated ingredients, products and technologies potentially at risk, even if they were allowed by law. Co-op says no to GMOs, colorants, hydrogenated fats. Additives may be used only if necessary. A recent example, Co-op stopped selling products containing palm oil and reformulated them. 2. Prevention. Co-op has put in place a system of guarantees to minimize risks, selection and validation of suppliers, supply agreements and strict technical specifications, control of the whole supply chain for critical products. Three. Control. It involves all the steps of the process which brings the product from the supplier to the customer. Stores, production plants, products, suppliers, customer complaints, alerts by public controlling bodies. Co-op quality assurance is certified ISO 9001-2008. 4. Product non-compliance. In case of non-compliance, Co-op activates a rapid alert system for the immediate withdrawal of the product. For serious issues, a crisis committee is activated. 5. Continuous improvement. Co-op quality system checks production processes on a systematic basis and works in collaboration with the research and scientific world. Since the 80s, Co-op Italia Laboratory has specialised in anti-fraud, and in 2013 it acquired the Hercules Supernose, a machine able to elaborate the digital footprint of a product and thus its authenticity. This instrument is used in particular to check oil, wines, coffee, cheese and honey. Within its actions to promote consumers' health and safety, Co-op has fought to promote the liberalisation of the drugs market. In 2006, 800,000 citizens voted in favour of the liberalisation. Today, in its in-store pharmacy corners, Co-op sells OTC drugs at a price 25% cheaper than in traditional pharmacies, thus contributing to a general reduction in the price of drugs. The first Co-op private label drug is an effervescent antipyretic tablet. Transparency. Transparency is one of Co-op's values. The packaging of Co-op products has always spoken to consumers, indicating name and address of the supplier, nutritional values, compound ingredients and presence of allergenic substances, as well as the botanical origin of oils and fats. In 2014, Co-op launched the campaign Origins. Consumers can access the web page or use a dedicated app to know the origin of the raw materials used for Co-op products as well as the location of each production plant. Coop is the only retailer in Italy to provide this information in such a clear and transparent way. Coop is committed to environment care, a real commitment developed through all the fields of intervention. For instance, Coop acted to reduce the environmental impact of packaging by means of recycled or easily recyclable materials. It provides packaging disposal information on product labels. It offers tissue products certified FSC, with raw material from sustainable forestry, and home detergents and print paper certified eco-label with 100% recycled cellulose. Coop baby diapers are made of 100% recycled cellulose, certified PEFC from North American forests, replanted after cutting. Respecting nature means promoting animal welfare. Coop promotes sustainable fishery and acts to safeguard marine areas, protected and endangered species, as well as using production processes respectful of animals for human consumption. Coop joins significant environmental projects, such as the challenges set up by the Kyoto Protocol. First with the project Coop for Kyoto, then evolved in Coop for Sustainability, towards COP21, with which Coop private label suppliers voluntarily commit to reach the target of reducing greenhouse emissions as set forth by the protocol. That is to say, specific actions to reduce energy consumption, as well as food, environmental and packaging waste. Coop joins the Appel de Paris to accelerate the actions needed to tackle climate change. As regard ethics, in 1998, Coop was the first company in Europe to be certified SA 8000, Social Compliance and Business Ethics. Coop involves its private label suppliers to comply with a set of rules, including no child labour, no forced or compulsory labour, no discrimination, health and safety at the workplace, and fair wages. Coop-specific actions on social compliance include the monitoring of the supply chains of tomatoes for processing and of fruits and vegetables, such as strawberries, oranges, clementines, grapes, cherry tomatoes, cauliflowers and fennels. Audits in the field check in particular on the respect of employment contracts and modalities to avoid illegal labour, on wages and on the employment of regularly registered foreign workers. In 2014, this monitoring was extended also to suppliers' brand products. The campaign Good and Fair was launched to communicate Coop's commitment to fight black labour in agriculture. Coop's approach to social compliance goes beyond the national territory. With its Solidal products, Coop supports fair trade for small producers in developing countries, offering them opportunities for self-development. Today, at Coop's 1,100 stores in Italy, you can find 4,000 private label products, counting for around 30% of the total sales. Coop products are with Italian people every day.